Hey friends, welcome back. I am in Dilijan, here in the beautiful country of Armenia. And today's video, I'm not really sure, but what I know is I want to give like a quick tour around Dilijan and just like, you know, the town itself. And maybe afterwards we'll grab something to eat and then put an end to the video. So let's head over to the main city center of Dilijan. Right, arriving to the beginning of the town now, and this town I think is very beautiful and it has so much potential. There's a lot of hiking spots around the place as well. I think it can be also quite touristic because there's a lot of accommodations around here, and they're doing a lot of work, like construction work and fixing the roads and whatnot. Look at the very beginning of this town. That's how it looks from here. Oh, I'm gonna walk down there, it's alright, in a moment. Look at that car there. An old Soviet car. And also we've got the view here. That's gorgeous. But let's head over down below, check out the town. I've noticed like in Armenia and also in Georgia there's a lot of abandoned buildings, which is strange. And I'm talking about like a lot. It's not like, you know, a lot, like it's very noticeable anywhere you go in the whole country, both countries. There's a lot of abandoned buildings. I think that's due to the, you know, breaking down the Soviet Union and whatnot. But yeah, it's nice here. There are all sorts of things here, like shops, pharmacies. This is like a mobile shop. Over there there's a restaurant, and over there there's a market. And here there is a big supermarket. And like you can see here, this is a market. But all this above, like it's all completely abandoned. All this building is not in use. Just like the first floor over there and down below. Which is strange, like, you know. And I've also noticed, I haven't noticed that many tourists, you know, around. Like there aren't any travelers here. And there's this bank. I was standing there yesterday, and again it's completely abandoned. And over there there's this shop. Let me cross the road, get a closer view. But yeah, it's complete, like I don't get it. I really don't understand it. Like why is it so always the buildings are empty? And over here there is an outdoor market. But before I show that, let me show this. This is like another example of abandoned building, like completely abandoned. Look at this. It's strange, like, I mean, it's a town that has so much potential, yet buildings are completely abandoned. This here too, but no, this is not abandoned. This is like, this is nice, but look at this. This is beautiful. I like this. And here is the market. Over here. This is like an outdoor market, but there is a one like indoor market down below. We're not gonna go there. They call it market, but it's like pretty much like a big supermarket. That's it. Right. I'm gonna go down below and check out more of the town and what it offers. And over here there's like a Colosseum? No. No, it's just a stage, I guess. A stage with seatings. Yeah, it's very nice, like, you know, I mean, it's got potential, but you can see, like, you can feel there has been some history here. Like, I can feel it being here, and like, slowly it's coming together. You know, they're building, they're working on it. Like, watch this walkway here. See this here? So they're fixing, you know, they're working on the town and making it looks nice or whatnot. When I arrived to the city yesterday, to the town, I came down from here. Actually, the houses looks really nice from here, but I want to go there and check out a restaurant that I want to see, like maybe I can grab something to eat. It's hard where I'm walking. Yeah, but yeah, I want to check out this restaurant. Maybe I want to eat something and give it a try. You know, Armenian restaurant. See what's the food like. Look at this. This is a hotel. Oh, I think, is it this restaurant? Maybe. Let's check it out. It is. Yeah, it is this one. It's very difficult to vlog inside there. There's a party going on. Oh, that's so random. There's one thing I noticed also about Armenia and Georgia. From outside, the places don't look like much, like a bar, restaurant. It looks like even empty. Sometimes it even looks like it's closed. But the moment you open the door and go in, there's something happening, which is nuts. Oh, stop. I was really promising myself to go and eat there, but I'm not gonna eat there now because I wanted to vlog and it's loud, and also it's too loud with camera, without a camera. It's not like the mood that I'm in right now. Yeah. Let's continue the tour anyway. Look at those trucks here. Man, it's so cool watching them. I only saw them on TV. And those little... These are like... That's a restaurant? No, that's not a restaurant. That's like a small cafe. This place is selling like homemade stuff. And this place is a restaurant. But you can see like it's a lot of work, like they're doing a lot of work on the streets. And over there, there is a museum. Anyway, what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna just walk around down below. And it's part of the town, and there's like a small park as well. I want to take a walk there and clear my mind. And check it out as well. Because that's where I arrived there yesterday after hitchhiking. It's the previous video. If you missed it out, link below, check it out. But yeah, I'm gonna go down below now and just see more of this town. Today is like a relaxing day. I don't want to do much. I've been on the road for quite some time. Here there's a burger place. Let's have a look at the menu, check it out. There's the menu up there. Shame burger. It says shame burger. Right, I will be sitting here and I'm gonna have the burger.
If you're gonna order something, I can help you to translate.
Yeah, please. I want to have of course, the shame burger.
Okay.
And I'm gonna have fries.
Okay, fries with the ketchup, right?
Sure. Fries with ketchup.
Ketchup.
And shame burger.
Something for drink?
Sorry?
Something to drink?
I'm okay for now. Maybe after.
So that's all.
That's all.
Uh-huh.
Merci. Shame burger. I love the name.
Namaste bitches is nice too.
Which one?
Namaste bitches.
Oh. That says namaste bitches. Not sure if I can keep that one. I will keep it. Yeah. This guy is from Russia.
Hello.
Just met him, and you live here?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. It's a very nice place. I like it. Right, let's wait for the order and we'll review the burger here in Armenia. First burger in Armenia. Right, just got served the burger. Look at this. Actually looks really good. There she is. We've got the cheese, the patty, the lettuce, the tomatoes. My goodness, that looks good actually. And here there are the fries with the ketchup. I've already tasted them and it's really good. And this is always a good sign, you know? When it's dripping like this is like a good burger. Oh yeah. good. Tasty. I like the cheese touch as well. That cheddar cheese gives it a kick. With some fries as well. The fries are really good. Anyway, I'm gonna finish this and we'll continue the tour. Right, so I just had the burger right now and I walked down and I'm in the park. The cost of the burger and the fries, you saw what I ordered, it was 3,800 dirham, Armenian dirham, which is an equivalent of around like $10. Now, $10 is quite a lot of money here. And that burger, I would rate it like probably about a 3 or a 4. Remember, I come from Ireland and we have some of the best burgers on the planet. This is not even close to what it was, you know? And $10 is a lot of money here. I'm paying accommodation 3,500 dirham per night in the hostel here. I just ate, the cost of my food was more than my sleeping, my accommodation. That's nuts, man. Anyway, I came down below. I am in the previous video, you'll see I got dropped off there. There's a big roundabout and there's like the statue. We'll go there in a second. And I was just there and I had a coffee. And this is, I guess, like a park here in the town, which is actually quite nice. I like it here, you know. It's a man-made lake, if you wanna call it. And it's just spread out open. It's nice, like, you know, I like it. There's a bridge here. I was walking there. There are people there fishing. I just don't understand where the fish is coming from, because this is like a man-made lake, like, do you know? It's very nice. I like it. It's nice to be outside as well. I just found in the park Tourist Information Center. And there's a map here. Probably all the hiking, yeah, trails. Huh. Interesting. Let's get some information in the tourist center. See what's it like. Right. Just had a conversation inside with the ladies at the reception here in the tourist office in Dilijan. I want to say something very important. I've been here for like, I don't know, 3 days now, 4 days in Armenia. I'm in love with the people. Really, the Armenians are incredible. If you are a person from Armenia watching this, be proud. If you have ancestors of Armenian ancestors, please be proud. You should, because you people are amazing. I am in love with you, seriously, it's incredible. The interaction with this lady has been, well, like, I'm not a spy, man. You know, some people think I'm James Bond here. The people here are incredible. The interaction with the ladies as well, like super friendly, genuine, kind, helpful, and they're very excited about, like, you know, you're a tourist in their country and they want to give you as much information as possible to explore their country, you know, to know more about it. They don't know that I'm a YouTuber, by the way, even though they can see the camera, but I wasn't vlogging, I didn't say anything. I turned off the camera the moment I actually entered. So there isn't any footage of this, unfortunately, because, like, I'm kind of like, do you want to point a camera at someone's face or not? I'm always like thinking about that part. But the ladies were incredible. Anyway, she gave me a really good tip. Now, I've heard about an app that works here in Armenia. It's called Hike Armenia. If you ever come to Armenia, you should already download this app. You're definitely going to use it. I completely forgot about it. Somebody told me about it and I completely forgot about it. But now she reminded me of it and I downloaded it on the spot. They have a great service, by the way. QR codes printed and all that. I thought like I don't really go to tourist offices anymore. I just don't. You know, I sometimes I do. Depends where I am. but usually I don't. I used to do it in the past, not anymore. I prefer to get it from people, but when I'm getting from locals, it's always nice. This one was incredible information she gave me, and I'm aware about that region that I'm in right now and how much it's got to offer. Next video is going to be a hiking destination somewhere. I just need to sit on this app and check out what trails are there, and we're gonna do it. Hike Armenia is the app. I tested it inside as well. Works incredibly well, and you can use it offline. I like that. Anyway, I want to go over to that monument there, so I'll climb the stairs. I'll cross the road somewhere here. But this is the big roundabout, and this is what I got dropped off here yesterday once I arrived to this town. So let's go and check out this this monument there. But yeah, I'm in love with the Armenians, really. I'm amazed by them. So if you are Armenian, please be proud, because you people are nice. And here is the monument. There are those stairs I have to climb, and it's something very noticeable here in Armenia. The men are all I don't know, it's something about black leathers jacket. What is it like, you know? I mean, it does look nice, you know, but when everybody is wearing it, it's like a costume, you know, at this point. Here's the monument. But I'm not sure what this monument about though. There isn't a sign that describe it or explain anything about it, you know. There's a view of the town from here, from the other side. Look at those, the houses are incredible. But yeah, look, this video was a quick one about I wanted to showcase what's it like an Armenian town looks like, especially Dilijan is a touristic place. Technically, there's a lot of work happening. It's unplanned. I wanted to go for a walk and I wanted to vlog this. I wanted to have something to eat as well. The idea was to eat in the local restaurant, but there was music going on, so I'm not gonna spend my time there. Anyway, I'm gonna put an end to this video right here, and then in this monument. If you made it this far, thank you all for watching. Please do consider subscribing if you have not subscribed already. Give the video a thumbs up, helps with the algorithms, and as always, see you on the next one.